Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Are they boys? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Cousin. Twins. Short. Tall. Conversation.
I have cousins. They are twins.
Are they boys?
No, they're not. They are girls.
Are they tall?
No, they're not tall. They are short.
How old are they?
They're 1 year old.
What are their names?
Bella and Rosie.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
I have cousins. They are twins.
Are they boys?
No, they're not. They are girls.
Are they tall?
No, they're not tall. They are short.
How old are they?
They're 1 year old.
What are their names?
Bella and Rosie.
Word quiz. Cousin. Twins. Short. conversation quiz. What did Lily say? Are they boys?
Yes, they are. No, they're not. They are girls.
What did Max say? Are they tall? Are they boys?
No, they're not tall. They are short.
What did Lily say? How old are they?
Bella and Rosie. They're 1 year old.
You did it! You were superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.